New looms! Yay! Excited. Okay, this is the new X loom from CinDwool Looms. Now the looms come with 4 wedges, and it comes in 2 sizes. I want to say the bigger one is the same number of pegs as the small Afghan loom. I will double check and put the information in the video description below. So you want to check that out. Anyway, what makes these looms, I'll put this one over to the side and just show you on the small one, which I'll show you here. What I'm making a hat. And what's really neat is when I get to the crown of the hat, I can decrease in 4 directions and have a small top that I can either pull string or whatever type of closure that I want to do. And that takes a lot of that bulk out and it'll just look a lot neater. I'm really, really excited about this. Now, the concept behind this knitting loom was actually thought of by Scarlett Royal. I will have linked to her YouTube channel in the video description below. She's got a lot of videos already out showing you this loom, explaining it, and patterns that are absolutely mind-blowing. Scarlett, fantastic job. Anyway, what I like about this loom is with this X shape, I have a loom that'd be this big around if I was to carry it with me, and it's just this size. And this one is actually small enough to fit in my... Sorry, I have a cat who is mad and tearing up my desk. Figaro, stop it. Sorry. Anyway, this is small enough that I can fit it in my knitting bag when I'm going places. So I have this in there and I can work on it. And there is a little bit of a learning curve, but what's really nice when I'm sitting, watching TV, working on it, these legs that come out, it's really nice to be able, I can hold it between my knees or between my legs and hold this up and then work on the side, flip it over, work on this side, and that's how I do it. And so I'm finding that my progress is getting faster and faster with it the more I'm using it. It's really, really cool. I'm so excited about these looms. They're both the exact same size. It's just the bigger one has longer legs. There will be links to CinDwool's site, Scarlett's page, just anything I could think of. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure your notifications are turned on at your followings so that you will receive emails when new videos are posted. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.